Hi all, in this video we are going to learn about what is JSX. I am Priyanka and welcome to the channel Coding Leader. JSX stands for JavaScript XML. JSX is a syntax extension to JavaScript. We are using it with React to describe what the UI should look like. It is not compulsory to use JSX in React. You can use JavaScript, but most developers find JSX is more easy to implement. So let's learn about the basic concept of JSX. Embedding expressions in JSX. In JSX, we can put any valid JavaScript expression inside the curly braces. For example, save the file and see the result. It's showing Coding Leader. In the example, we declare a variable called name and then use it inside the JSX by wrapping it in curly braces. And we get the result Coding Leader. Also, if I put any valid JavaScript like 2 plus 2 in a curly braces, we will get the result 4. Save the file. Yeah, it's showing 4. In JSX, suppose I use the variable name without wrapping in the curly braces, then it will consider as string. Save the file. Here it is showing name because we have used the variable name inside JSX by wrapping it with the curly braces. So we got the result Coding Leader where it is considered as a string. So we get the result as name. Specifying attributes with JSX. Since JSX is closer to JavaScript than to HTML, React DOM uses camel case property naming convention instead of HTML attribute names. For example, class become class name where n is capital in JSX and attribute index become tab index where I is capital. Here we have used class name in camel case. Specifying children with JSX. If a tag is empty, then you may close it immediately with / like XML. For example, normally we close the tag in a such way, but in JSX we can close as like this. Wrapping elements or children in JSX. We need to wrap all of this tag under a parent tag and then render this parent element to the HTML. Let's add one image. Save the file. It will give the error. Let's see. It's showing the error failed to compile, as adjacent JSX element must be wrapped in an enclosing tag. It means here it is returning 2 tags, which is the error. It should return only one parent tag. So place this image tag under only one parent tag. Save the file. Now it's showing this image. For proper arrangement, I am putting BR tag. Save the file. Yes. Comments in JSX. Comments in JSX begins with /* and ends with */. You can add comments in JSX by wrapping them in curly brackets. Let's see. Save the file and see the result. Yes, that's it about the JSX. Thanks for watching the video and please subscribe the channel.